Good morning, students of 9th standard. Today we are going to do history subject and the lesson is 4th. The name of the lesson is economic development. What is the meaning of economic? Economic means dealing with the money matter or how we can make the income for the better development of our country. Now, our India has adopted a mixed economic. Now, this mixed economic has 5-year plan and their success and failure, nationalism of banks, 20-point program, mill worker strikes, and especially the new economic policy of 1991, mixed economic. Mixed economic we had adopted after independence. Our Prime Minister Pandit Nehru adopted the middle path. In a capitalism, the means of production are privately owned. A mixed economic works in the both in the private and the public sector. India will give preference to a model of mixed economy. Private sector. The industry in these sectors are completely under the control and management of the government. For example, production of defense equipment. Then the private sector. The industry in this are owned by private industrialists. Then we have the joint sector. Some industries are owned by the private industrialist while some are run under the government management. For the mixed economic to be run smoothly, there is a need for coordination between the private sector and the public sector. Aims at maximism or maximization of production and popular participation on a larger scale. An effort has been made in this system to bring together the good aspects of both the capitalist and the socialist system. A mixed economic also naturally tends to give priority to the national interest. The industries like defense, scientific research, education, road, railway, waterways, seaport, airport development requires large capitalist or capital investment. In such a situation, the government has taken the initiatives. India adopted the mixed economic model and 5-year plan and started off on its path of development. Now, the 5-year plan. Now, this 5-year plan focused on several problems like the poverty, unemployment, then population growth, low standards of living. Then it focused on low productivity, that means to increase the production, low productivity of agriculture and industrials, and backwardness in the field of knowledge, science and technology. Planning was essential to solve this problem. The planning in 1950 with the Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also its chairman. It formulated India's 5-year plan, including rural and agriculture development, balance, industrialization. Now, we go to the goals. What are the goals in this 5-year plan? Now, there are so many 10 points of the plan. Now, see, the general goals of the economic planning of India are as follows. Increase in the national income, bring about rapid industrialization by focusing on the basic industries, bringing about an increase in agriculture production so that the country becomes self-sufficient in food grain production, use the human resources in the country optimally by making increased employment opportunities available. Fifth, remove the inequality in earning and wealth. Sixth, maintain stable price of commodities. Seventh, bring the growth in population under control by family planning. improve the standard of living by eradicating poverty, develop social service, make the economic self-sufficient. These were the plans of the government. Now we will see the first 5-year plan. The first 5-year plan was in 1951 to 1956. The expenditure in this plan was primarily on agriculture, social development, irrigation, and flood control sources of energy, then rural and smaller industry, heavy industries and minerals, transport and communication, education and health. The second 5-year plan. In this plan, they had the goals of industrialization like steel and iron industries, chemical fertilizers plants. Then they were thinking of making huge dams like the Bhakra Nangal Dam, the Damodar, etc. were built to make water available for agriculture. It leads to increase in the national income. Then after that, the third 5-year plan, there was third 5-year plan also. Now see, the third 5-year plan, this aimed at bringing about balance in industries and agriculture. The other goals in bringing income, heavy industries, opportunities for employment. Then the fourth 5-year plan, the intention behind setting the goal of this plan were that India should become self-reliant, government should develop the basic industries, increase the speed of economic development and pay attention to the establishing a socialist pattern of the society. Then 14 major banks in the country were nationalized. The plan did not succeed as expected. The Indian economy suffered due to the pay rise of the government. Then the fifth 5-year plan. The fifth 5-year plan is from 1974 to 1979. This plan was designed with the goal of making India economically self-sufficient. The object of the 5-year plan were also followed: increase the national income, make huge large-scale employment available, supply education, nutritious food and drinking water to make facilities of medical treatment, to supply electricity and means of communication, implement social welfare schemes on the wide scale, bringing about development in agriculture. Okay, and then they were having the next fifth, I have already told you. And then in the fifth, they had also made certain removal system. Like in the fifth plan, they used to say that we will remove poverty and give people employment. Then sixth 5-year plan. What happened in the sixth 5-year plan? Now see, in this plan, they were thinking to increase the growth rate in the economic, reduce the rate of poverty and unemployment, shape and implement a population policy so that the people adopt the small family, keeping the population under control. Then the seventh 5-year plan, which was in 1985 to 1990, this plan laid stress on food, then employment and productivity. The objective of this plan included development, modernization, self-reliance, social justice, improving the techniques of production and etc. The plan was having to create opportunities or job creation like the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, India Awas Yojana, scheme of 10 lakhs well, etc. Then in this, They also made the 8th 5-year plan. In the 8th 5-year plan, what happened? Now see, the plan had the following features: to maintain the rate of growth in national income, that is at 6.5%, to control the growth of population, to encourage the program of family planning, to remove illiteracy by expansion of primary education. Okay, next I will continue.